feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Today we're doing another Pinterest recreation and we're doing a full set this time, so make sure you hype this video, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and like the video as well as hype it. This is a design that I am going to be recreating, except I'm changing the colors. I'm not going to have blue or that milky white. I'm going to switch those two colors out for a light pink and a yellow. And luckily on this Pinterest photo, you can see the Instagram name of the artist who created this set. So that's their name right there on the screen, right in between the two nail sets. I decided to make it a full set because I've been really wanting to do some brown and pink nails. And I just decided, why not throw in yellow as a third color to make a full set for myself? So let's get started. And I really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Make sure you let me know what you think after you're done.
gotta say hello to you, yeah. And all you got to do is not answer my call when I'm trying to get through. Keep me wondering why, when all I can do is sigh. I just wanna touch, I just wanna touch, and kiss, and I wish that you could be with you tonight. You give me butterflies inside, and I just wanna touch and kiss, and I wish that you could be
And here you have it, the full Pinterest recreation. This is the full nail set. Let me know what you think of these nails in the comments below. I absolutely love them. It's giving like ice cream. I don't know. I want to say like 3 flavor ice cream. Like that's what it's giving. Here is what the nails look like on my hands. I only show one hand. I didn't put them on fully. I just used some little double-sided sticky tabs just to show you how they look on for the outro. But I can't wait to actually wear these nails and put them on. Again, thank you so much for watching. You have to let me know if you think I match the original Pinterest design. Here is the side by side right here. Again, I just switched up the colors. I'm sorry that this video appeared a little bit dark. One of my panel lights went out, so now I have to get another light because it blinks. It doesn't, when I turn it on, it just flashes in and out. So only half of my desk is lit up. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to just film during the daytime until I get a chance to order a new light or figure out what I want to do with my lighting. But yeah, I appreciate you watching and sticking out to the end. If you did, before you leave, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content from me. If you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, then hit that post notification bell. Don't forget to like this video and hype this video. In the comments below, you will see my Amazon storefront. So if you want to know some of my favorite nail items or some of the setup that I have for filming, such as camera and mics and everything like that, I now have an Amazon storefront. So look in the description box. I just got it, so it doesn't have that much stuff on there, but I'll be adding stuff periodically to the storefront. And you know, whenever you shop, it helps me out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye guys.
Few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.